Hello and welcome. In this video I'll answer the question if it's possible to remove your keys from your Lenovo laptop. So the problem with removing them is that you shouldn't really do that unless you for example need to repair them or need to perform a deep clean, because most of the laptops, as you can see, they have a membrane keyboard, which is nothing like the mechanical one. You just on the mechanical keyboard you just need to pull the switch off and clean it, put it back on, the switch, the key, the keycap, and you're done. And here we have the membrane keyboard, which is kind of like not glued, but the construction underneath the keycap, they have a retainers, and the process takes much longer. And unless you have some tools that won't damage the things underneath the keycap, I wouldn't really recommend doing that, because as you can see I can really lift it up, and if it was a mechanical keyboard you just have to pull the keycap off and that's it. And it would be much easier. So if you don't have to, don't try to pull them off. You will regret it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.